VPNIFY Unlimited VPN. So this is a new VPN app available on phone, iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV. 100% free, as they claim, high-speed VPN proxy for your iOS device. It's highly secure with military-grade encryption, so you can safely navigate public, business, and school networks. So here you can just tap Get to install it. So just double-click to install it. Secure connection with one click. Stable connection wherever you go. Multiple high-speed dedicated VPN servers. And then you can just open it up. And let's see how it works. So as you can see, it's not free. So it's $5 per week, $8 per month, 35 1 year. But there is 3-day free trial and there are ads. And then you can just select server. So for example, you can select some of these countries. And then you need to allow VPN, you need to add this VPN configuration and start connecting. I'm just showing you here how it looks like. And yeah, then it just says connecting. So now, yeah, it's kind of taking time, but basically that's how you start to use it. And that's what it is.